Hey guys, for the Pekinese stitch, I'm just going to begin with the normal back stitch. So that's what I'm going to do through the end of this line, and then I'll show you what we do next. I'm coming in with a second color so you can see what I'm doing a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is bring my thread and needle underneath the back stitching on the top of the fabric. So the second step is done all on the top of the fabric. You're not going to bring your needle down until you're finished with the stitch. So then I'm going to come back down under the previous loop and over top of my working thread. Then I'm going to repeat that by weaving my needle upward underneath the back stitch 2 stitches ahead, and then down under the previous loop and over my working thread. Just like that. And I'll repeat this process through the end of the line. The key part of this stitch is trying your best to keep each loop of the Pekinese stitch equal in size. So I like to leave mine a little bit looser, that way I can tighten them if needed at the end. And once you're finished, you can bring your needle down through the fabric and tie a knot on the back. There you go. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again next time.